Okay, so this is a tutorial for the duet video. So the student part is the C octave, and then the left hand comes in and just keeps going down by step, alternating with the right. And then we do it with the B. And then we do it with the A. And that's the whole thing. We start at a higher register and gradually move it down the register. For the accompaniment part, the chords are pretty straightforward. You have an A minor, going to a D minor, to G, to a C, to F, to a D minor, to an E and an A. I guess that sounds more complicated. I'll just play it. So I'm doing this extended position. Through those different chords, but I think many of you who are going to be trying this might not want to do that. So we're going to do a simplified version where your hand isn't extended. So we're going to do. And that's our introduction. And then we continue. We have our A minor chord again. Going to D minor. To G. To C. To F. To the D minor. So I'll show it to you one more time. So our intro. This is where they start.